I just about choked. And I smacked, which is not allowed. Well, I just did an eye tutorial on how to apply your mascara, or the way that I do it. I just showed y'all this beautiful candle from Candlefish. I love this. There's a place in Atlanta called Pont City Market, and what it really is, it was the old Sears building. You could shop there, and it was also a distribution center in the South. And I remember as a little girl going and shopping on like the 6th floor for my outfits and shoes. But now it's been, it was abandoned, not abandoned, it was not in business for a long time, and then it got refurbished. It's all kinds of cute little shops, and they've redone the area, and it's fun to go there. They have a lot of little shops like that that are real unique, or I wouldn't necessarily say high-end, but they're unique. Anyway, and in my last video, I was telling y'all it just stopped cold, so sorry about that. But I was telling you about my Louis Vuitton earrings and how I probably wouldn't get those again. Ah, those are my little Henry Bendels. Look at the difference. Okay, so here's the Louis Vuittons. That's them, and here's the Henry Bendels. I like little bars that hang down. It's almost the same looking bar. Kind of. Not really at all. But anyway, I don't like the way this little hook fits into the V. It's just, it's really a pain to get it on. And the Henry Bendels are just regular old wires, you know. But the way that they are on the back, they only swing sideways, so they're kind of unusual. I just like blocked it like that. That was brilliant, wasn't it? I don't know why I'm telling you about it, because it has nothing to do with the unboxing. Okay. So I took it out of the shipping box because it was just plain. But this is my Anya Hindmarch. I think it's my first purchase ever from her. I know she's famous for some of her makeup pouches. They gave them to YouTubers, the big YouTubers, a few years ago. And when I say the big ones, I mean the ones with 500,000, 10 million subscribers. I do like this, y'all. Look how, I have no idea what this is. Sender, receiver. Look, it's got a little card. Look, there's a little card. Let's see what it is. What is that? I don't know. Ah. Is that something I'm supposed to get? Sender, receiver. And her sign is a little bow with an A and an H in the middle of the bow. I don't really understand what that is. Am I supposed to check it off and say receive? It says size 72 millimeter by 44 millimeter. Okay. What I like is this. Look at this little bow here, right here. That's a cute way to close off a bag. That's cute. Okay, okay. So let's open this. Okay, and then once you get down in there, whoops, does that come out? Oh, it must come out. There we go. Oh, wait, here's the paperwork. And it drives me crazy when I see YouTubers and they go through their paperwork right in front of you. Y'all don't want to see that. Okay. Here's the bag. Oh, it's a pretty little bag, y'all. Look, it's like a tote, a floppy tote. And, oh, it can be a shoulder bag, too. So this actual, now that is genius. To have the dust bag be a tote bag with a handle and a shoulder strap. Look at that. That is cute. And it's cute with the little stripes and the little name right there. Well, I might just keep it for that. All right, here it goes. Oh, here it is. It's not in any kind of tissue. It's just in there. All right, I got this because it had a bunch of little compartments and I fell in love. Is that the cutest? It looks like Anya's makeup pouches that she has. Now here's the thing that's scaring me. I really do like it. Because I was thinking, I'm going to return that. Here was my condition. Oh, this is really pretty. Look how the little tie just kind of sticks around the side though. That's interesting. And look at the shoulder strap. Let's just take a look at this. Okay, it's a little wound up. Okay, and it's got these little like circles. Isn't that cute? Can you pull them through? No, they're sewn. So it's just for looks. I thought maybe that was a way to size it. So there's no way to size it. This is the size it's going to be. See little circles? But they're sewn. So you can't like pull them through and resize it tighter or something. Same with this. Boy, that's good smelling leather. That's really good smelling leather. Like fry boots, you know. I always say fry boots. Please note returns will only be accepted if this tag remains attached. Don't touch that tag. Because I'm not sure. I love the little handle that it's a python hard handle and that this is a long shoulder strap. So let's show you about where it's going to hit on me. Because I'm very short. I'm only 5'1". I'm really 5 feet. So it's going to hit right where I want it to. But not very long. So it's not crossbody. It's really, you're gonna carry it like that. So that's cute. On the back, it's got her little logo. And it just looks like the back of a bunch of, just look, it looks like a bunch, like you've got a little stack of makeup pouches. What I'm hoping is each one of these is an individual container so that I can have makeup, financial, like checkbook and, well, not checkbook. Well, I do carry my dad's checkbook to write checks to his caregivers. Wallet, then medical, then what would I use this one for? Electronicals, like my charger cords and stuff like that. And then maybe some hand cream and a baby size face spray and a baby size, what am I trying to say? Hairspray, and then something else. And then look on the bottom. That's interesting. It's got like a little handle, like an accordion. That's interesting. And then it's got little feet, but they're not metal feet. They're leather feet. Okay, here's the big test. Is it a real opening? Yes. Ah! It's one big opening. So that means that's not one. That's a real zipper. Oh, it's a fake. It's just a zipper. It doesn't open. Is this one? Does this one? So this must be this, and I bet that is that. Come on, open. Open! Oh. This is navy blue too, not black. Hey. Oh! I was going to put my makeup brushes in the very bottom. Oh, these are just for looks. That changes my whole concept of why I wanted this. That would be cute if it was a couple $100, y'all. But this is a $1,700 bag that I got on sale for $8.97. I'm just being very honest with y'all. And for that kind of money, that's not what I wanted. Gosh, it smells good though. I'm so disappointed, y'all. So the only real zipper openings is here and here. So, like, how would you even get into this? I'm going to look with y'all. I guess you would sit it this way to get in your purse. How deep does it go? Yeah, what if it doesn't even go all the way down to the little other pouch? It does. So yeah, I guess you could put a bunch of stuff. But I guess you'd have to sit it down like that to get into it. So you know what this really is? This is, you would get into it just like if you were opening, you know, from the top if the handle was here, opening your purse. But instead, because, I mean, it wouldn't be very easy to open this if it's sitting like this and get down in there. I mean, I guess it could. I don't know. And then if, what, over time, it starts slouching down, you know? I don't know about this for that kind of money. And it's not black, it's navy. The whole reason that I got this. And see, this hole doesn't open very good. So I guess you would have to sit it down this way. But it is got plenty of room once you get in there. So these are the two holes. I don't know, y'all. What do you think? Because you would be in it like this. So I would be like putting, I don't know, let's get a couple of things. Can't be too messy because I may return this. What do y'all think? Y'all keep a return. Give me your thoughts. Now remember I did that with that Givenchy that was the beige goat skin or whatever. And I was like, I don't like this color. It's one of my favorite bags now. So let's just say I make this bottom one my financial one. So we'll put this for, I got the little Charlotte Tilbury brush kit. So a makeup pouch that's a face pouch for everything. Maybe some face powder. And a couple of, a little mascara and a little whatever. And a phone. Okay, so the makeup would have to be below. It would. It's not good and easy to get into. Okay, well, we'll move it. Let's just try it. Move these things down there. My more makeup stuff. And what else might we might put a little spray in there. And some lotion. I'm trying to see what it would really feel like if you were using it, y'all. But I can't overdo it because I may return it. Ah, look how it's kind of tough to close it now. Well, let's just say I have my wallet. Do you have anything that could be like a wallet in there? Here, we'll just take this. Put that in there. And then put my phone in. It's very unique, very conversation piecey. Ah, look again. That's kind of cool.